we work closely with GRC, with security, with legal. Like we're always trying to think through it.
Right.
I would say that the biggest categories have been one, if you just think about a very large sort of technical org, a lot of engineers, right? Engineers are traditionally an expensive resource. And so like thinking about how you can increase your coding velocity, right? Code generation, how you can increase the access to information and help all of those sort of ancillary things that engineers do as well, whether it's just sort of crawling through Slack channels to see where there was like some kind of like engineering note or product feature or something needed a follow up, or like going through like repos, or like just like being able to do all of those things quickly. This has been a bit of a challenge because I don't know to what extent people realize this, but like copyright law,
so true,
is complicated and basically ultimately requires a human being to have created the thing for it to be copyrightable. And so like if you are shipping code that is materially AI generated, you are jeopardizing your copyrights, right? Like this might work for certain kinds of code, but not all code. And so like working through that, and then there's cases where you have to sort of detangle the code, right? Like you have like non-shipped software that is in the same repo potentially as, so you start getting into these issues. So that's like one big category.